have the hiccups. Oh, move, Jasper. Get out of the way. Still got the hiccups. Can you smile? Olivia. Hey, Livs. Is that a big smile? Yeah. Yeah. Is that a good smile? Uh-oh. Uh-oh. You got the stinky hiccups. What's Daddy doing, huh? What's Daddy doing? Hey, pretty girl, can you smile? Can Daddy get you to smile? Can you smile? Got some drool on your chin. Where you going? Where are you going? Taking off? Feel like you're gonna jump up? Oh, got the hiccups. Can you smile? Big girl, wanna bounce? Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Can you smile? Bouncy, 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 bouncy. Oh, there goes Bear Dog. Yeah, are you talking? What are you talking about? Look at the drool. Look at the drool. What are you talking about? You gonna tell me a story? And then tell me a story? What do you think, big girl? Can you smile? Olivia, you smile. You smile. Can you smile? Not gonna smile for Mama, huh? Are you not gonna smile for Mama? What do you think? What do you think, huh? Okay, say goodbye. Say we'll see you another time.